Meanwhile, two early morning shootings marred Emancipation Day celebrations in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. Two persons were gunned down on the main street in the town, while a taxi driver was also shot up while transporting a passenger. The details in this report.
Two dead, one in critical condition, as the number of shooting incidents in St. Anne continues to rise. The first shooting took place on Main Street in Ocho Rios about 4 in the morning. A lone gunman reportedly entered this shop and started firing at two men who were sitting inside. At the end of the chaos, 44-year-old Marlon Speed and 26-year-old Alwyn Moncrief were left dead.
So I'm going to my house to take off my clothes. Me a bomb. And me a rapid more sound. So I come out and my hand up on the same way. I dry my slippers and come out. I say, I'm going with my son. I'm going to the shop. I see Job Blacks lay down on the ground, and I call him. I'm dead. No sound.
Job Blacks was the name most persons knew Marlon Speed by, according to his relative Dave Speed. Dave had this message for Marlon's killers.
Well, what I want to say to them, just bring in themselves, you know what I mean? Because with them do no right, you know? You see me? You can't blow bread so all you want to take life, you see me?
The second shooting, which involved a taximan, took place in the Shaw Park area in Ocho Rios. TVJ News understands that the driver was traveling with a female passenger about 3:30 a.m. when he was ambushed by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him several times. It's understood that the female passenger was not injured in the shooting. However, the driver is currently in hospital in critical condition. The Ocho Rios police are tight-lipped about the incident as they're still investigating the shooting. Both shootings took place within 30 minutes of each other. However, no motive or connection has been established. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.